hope you're good. Welcome to my zombie makeup tutorial. Unfortunately, this is just for the mouth part, not the whole face, because my phone ran out of space. So to start off with, you want to mix up a mustardy yellowy tooth colour. I used Wolfe FX Monster palette as they have this colour, and draw on a set of teeth onto your cheek. Next I went into this red colour, which is a Mehron Paradise paint in the colour red, and drew where the teeth and gums would be exposed, and I did the outline, and then I just wet the brush and started to blend in the edge colours to create a bit of a gradient effect, which makes it look more 3D. And then I went into a black face paint and I outlined the whole thing, and I also outlined the teeth. Then started to colour in the gums, and I did this by applying a pale pink face paint in between each tooth and then blending the red in around those areas. Using a red paint and also a black one, I shaded in around the edges of the torn away mouth to create a more 3D effect. When face painting any gory cuts or wounds or flesh, it's good to add little white highlights to the red areas because it makes it look more real. The reference photo I was looking at had exposed jawbone, so I added that in as well. Then highlighted around the edges of the wound using just a really fine white line, and I also highlighted areas on the teeth. I added more black shading around the edges of the wound to make it look more three-dimensional. Using a pale pink face paint, I started to add soreness around the wound. I then went in with a more bright red colour, which is Beach Berry by Mehron, and started to add that to the gums and also add some around the wound area to make it look sore. It's really important during this process that you either leave a really slight white line around the edges or re-add it with white face paint, because that's what makes the whole thing look three-dimensional. I went over the teeth again with some more yellowy paint, as I thought the colours had kind of blurred together a bit, and then I re-highlighted them with the white as well. I decided to clean up the stringy flesh bit with some concealer, and then unfortunately my phone ran out of space, so I couldn't finish filming, but at least I got the main bit, which is the mouth. So there you have it, that's my zombie mouth tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Bye.